This is how you're going to create horizontal scroll animation on Wix Studio. This effect is achieved by making your content sticky and then animating its position as the user scrolls vertically. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to set up a section. So we're going to create a section right here. So if you don't know how to do that, you're just going to click on add a section. And then from there, once we already have our existing section right here, we're going to click on add elements from the left side panel. Now from there, we're going to just choose repeater and then we're going to drag it over to our section. Now from there, I'm just going to add a title from here. I'm going to drag a title and then I'm going to name this a vertical scroll. I'm just going to resize this one. So making sure that it looks pleasing to our page, I'm going to resize this and make it a little bit more smaller. I'm going to name this maybe scroll. And then from there, we're just going to click on our repeater and then we're going to set our repeater the responsive behavior. Instead of fluid, we're going to set it to fixed width. Now once we have set it to fixed width, we're going to click on got it and then we're going to set the width to 2000 pixels. Going to click on enter and then you'll be able to see your repeater stretched out right like so. Now I'm going to just make sure that it starts from here and then after that we're just going to click on the layout right here and then we're going to select the section. Once we have the section selected, we're going to set the overflow content to scroll instead of show and then we're going to set the scroll direction instead of vertical, we're going to set it to horizontal and then you will be able to see this scroll bar right here which is set to horizontal. Now what you're going to do next is you're just going to add some elements to your repeater. So we're just going to click on our repeater and then from here we're just going to click on add elements. Now we're going to drag over some images, some texts if you want to add some titles or some other texts right here and then you will be able to see it right here on your repeater. Now you can just drag it over and then you can just click on preview right here at the top and then you will be able to see if it actually scrolls. So if you can see this scroll bar right below it, then that means that it has been applied to your site. And that's it. That is how you're going to create a horizontal scroll animation on Wix Studio. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.